I genuinely believe that maths is the most difficult subject to study, so this is what you are going to do if you want to improve your grades. The reason that maths is so difficult is that you either get a topic or you don't get a topic. This is what you are going to do to make sure you understand topics, you are able to get those marks in the exam, and you are able to get that grade that you are aiming for. This is exactly what I did to get a grade 9 at GCSE, 2 A stars at A level, and this is what you can do to improve your grades. First thing that you are going to do is you are going to go back through your exercise book or back through the textbook or back through your specification and identify what that first topic that you misunderstood was. So a specification is a document that outlines everything that you need to know for this qualification. They cannot ask you anything in the exam that is not on that specification. It is a huge list of topics, and conveniently it is usually taught in order. So they will teach the first thing on there first and foremost. So if you didn't understand that, then go back to review that topic first. And this is incredibly important to do for maths because your ability to do topics later on, those more complex things, requires this prerequisite understanding and this foundation of knowledge. But what can you do to thoroughly understand something? I highly recommend watching YouTube videos. We've all had a maths teacher that dislikes us or explains things horribly. However, understand that there are teachers on YouTube teaching every single topic that you could ever wish to understand. All you need to do is to search your qualification, so GCSE or A level or whatever it is that you're studying, maths, and then the topic. And there will be so many teachers who created videos on that app that you can just watch to try and get your head around things. While you're watching these videos, be sure to be making notes. Be sure to be essentially making yourself a cheat sheet and explaining step by step how you do this process, but then also why you would do this. You know, why would you expand a bracket? Why would you complete the square? What does it do and what does it show? And then if you think you've understood it and you have created your notes, go try to apply that knowledge to an exam setting. Now, very conveniently for you as well, maths questions are very easy to find. You can find them in the textbook. The textbook questions are really helpful, and more often than not, there are worked solutions online. You can also find specific question packs on the internet. I'm talking physics and maths tutors. There are so many websites that have these question packs for free. Just search the topic, search the qualification you're doing, and you'll have hundreds of search results. Do this over and over again and you will improve. That's all there is to it. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, be sure to save it for later, send it to a friend who might find it helpful, and follow for more daily study tips.